This is Jeremy from SkipperBud's North Point. Today we are going to look at a very, very fresh consignment listing in the form of this wonderful deck boat, a Starcraft 221 Starstep. This is a 2020 model. The boat is in fantastic condition. Powered by a Merc Cruiser 4.5 liter V6. 200 horsepower. Let's jump inside and take a look at some of the features that she has. This very gently used deck boat is just packed with features. We've got sea-deck flooring throughout, upgraded stereo with stern rear speakers, and a stern stereo control. The sun pad itself can flip up to face aftward, as well as from port facing starboard. A bevy of seating inside with a capacity of 12. We have a chaise flip seat that can be removed. Of course, a large forward platform with boarding ladder. Storage abundant throughout the boat under every seat, and then you can also see there's a dedicated spot for your cooler. And at the helm we have tilt steering, of course the stereo control, there's RGB lights. And under the hood, the aforementioned power of 4.5 liter V6, 200 horsepower. More than enough to take you and the family out for a good time around the lake, as well as pulling tubers, skiers, so forth. Give us a holler today for more information on this boat and get on the water.